evening, everybody.
So let's start the debate.
और का पंख भी machine.
What is your point on that?
You
Sorry.
Doing this blah 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 over here.
don't go personal.
Machine is not safe. Machines are creating the problems and then selling the solutions.
I am against of machine revolution. So as you chose the wrong side, but don't worry, I am here to correct you.
Every coin has two sides. It's my first time to speak in a debate.
Raise another point.
I am in favor of machine revolution. And I haven't introduced myself.
Fire that one guy who's innocent.
Human became the servant of machinery.
That machineries are bad for humans.
Anything which is making your work easy, that is called machine.
Now I will going to speak in the favor of machine revolution. Technology matters a lot.
It is the nature of human to fight.
Yes, very good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
It is 28th of February 2K26 and the mega debate. The wait is over. As students, they have been practicing for so long on this particular debate. And I hope so. You must have practiced a lot and you must have learned a lot about machine revolution. So tell me, how many of you think, yes, you can grab all the opportunity from Buddh Vihar? Yes, can you grab the opportunity of speaking? Yes, Mangolpuri, can you grab the opportunity of speaking? According to you, who is going to win this mega debate? Mangolpuri. Yes, और बुद्ध विहार.
Buddh Vihar.
अच्छा, बुद्ध विहार वाले भी यही बैठे हैं भाई. मिक्स क्लैप फॉर द गाय, ये हमारे साथ है. As you know very well, this is ASL Private Limited. All the time we keep on giving competition through which you can grow up, through which you can get the confidence and you can enhance your communication skills. Just because of it, such kind of concepts are conducted over here. We want you to speak in this debate, whether you speak right or wrong, whether you fumble or whether you speak fluent, that doesn't matter. What we want from you, to speak English language, to participate over here, so that whenever you get any kind of opportunity to speak anywhere, definitely yes, you can grab the chance, because the world is known for the people, yes, those who speak at the time. People, those who are learning English language from various institutions, whenever it comes to speaking, they cannot speak. Yes, am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. At the time of their interviews, they cannot speak. At the time where they just have to show their English language, they have learned, yes, they cannot speak. Why? Because of their lack of confidence. But my dear friend, if you are still having lack of confidence and you have just completed your course and you have learned English language from anywhere, but if you're still just waiting to speak English language, you won't be able to speak English ever. That is why this is the day to speak English language. This is the day to tell everybody, yes, you can speak. This is the day to grab the opportunity in this mega debate. Yes, you are the student of...
Yes, sir.
You are the student of...
Yes, sir.
So we guys are not wasting our time, and I hope best of luck everybody, and I hope you would be giving your level best in this mega debate. Thank you so much, guys.
Sir, as you know, machinery has given a lot in healthcare sector.
Yes.
If I give you some data and facts, in ancient times when surgeries were happened, the survival rate was about 40% only. But nowadays, after modern machinery like MRIs and ventilators, CT scans, these are introduced, death rate is 0.5% only. And like also in ancient times, a practice was done when people used to feel headache. A hole was drilled in their skull so that evil spirits can escape from their head.
Yes.
This type of practices were done before this revolution. Right.
Okay. I understand your point and where you're coming from. But you need to understand that there are multiple options to do so. Yeah. Earlier, things were very different. And we did not even need those surgeries in the first place.
Are you sure we did not even need?
Yes, yes.
We did not need any
My friend,
kind
my
of
friend. Yes,
cardiac
you
bypass
are
surgery.
coming.
We did not need any surgery
Okay. Yes. You are coming from a civilization like Rome. Yes, it used to happen in Rome.
Yes.
But if you compare it to a civilized civilization, it did not even, it did not used to happen. Yes, there were people who needed machines, who needed manual machines. Yeah, there were people who needed medicines, but they were not having diseases which we are having now, for which we need surgery. People used to have better bone density, so they did not used to break their skull open. Yeah, there were not artilleries, so they were not losing the limbs that easily.
Okay.
Yes, they were even strong enough to handle a bear attack or a lion attack.
Okay.
So your machines
Infections does not see time, my friend.
Sir, your machines are creating the problems and then selling the solutions. So it's
Okay.
just stupidity in my way.
You told that there were no arteries, their bone density was good. I would say that diseases like infections does not see time. Even infections happened in ancient times even more than modern times.
Okay.
At that time, we needed to amputate.
Example.
For example, in ancient times, sanitation was very bad.
Okay.
And while surgeries were happened and like small incisions were made, so at that time, doctors were unable to stitch the wound.
Yes.
But nowadays, we have technology for that.
Okay. Sir, let me give you a few examples of ancient civilization which were cleanest than the earth today. Harappa civilization.
Okay.
Yes. Indus civilization. Yes, Mohenjo-daro, and many civilizations which were far more advanced than us. Still, they did not need these kind of things. And you are talking about modern age.
In that
you are
way-
talking about modern age where infection became a thing. Yes, you are talking about plague and such diseases which were not there. Yeah, which we still don't know how those civilizations ended. Yeah, but it must have been through machine and some kind of war which humans waged.
It is a
humans
conspiracy.
waged. Not
in Rome,
happens all the
in
time.
Rome, there was a joint toilet where a brush was used to wipe. A single
Yes.
brush was used to wipe everyone.
Okay.
So was that your sanitation
No.
in ancient times?
No, it was only for commoners, not for the kings. Kings was not.
Okay, so kings were the only civilization at that time. Kings only had the facilities. Not they did not deserve.
Yes.
Others did not deserve. Nowadays,
they
because
deserved,
of
but they could
machinery,
not afford it,
nowadays,
sir.
because of machinery, due to mass production, everyone have access to these basic facilities.
Yes, everybody has the access to PFOs. Yeah.
What?
You know PFOs, Forever Chemical. Everybody is buying
Yes.
non-stick cookwares and they are cooking in it. They
Okay.
buying it because
Okay.
it is cheap.
Yes.
They're buying it because it is readily available.
Yes.
Yes. But they don't know the use of it. They are using it on high temperatures, which are carcinogenic.
So people are unaware in that way. People are
But
unaware.
why people are even selling those things in the first place? If they need something, why not use cast iron?
Okay.
Cast iron is naturally non-stick. Why go for PFOs and Forever Chemicals?
Okay,
Why?
in that
Tell me
you are basically you are right now raising a point on healthcare nowadays. So in that I would love to bring your attention towards before 1900s life expectancy of humans were 31 years to 40 years, but now it is 73 years.
Okay, so
After
that's a
machine
lovely
revolution.
statistic.
Yes.
That's lovely. Yes, people have gained a lot of things.
Yes.
But tell me, what wrong did those birds and those insects did? They are dying because of your towers. They are dying because of your chemical waste that you are dumping unfiltered
Okay.
in the water bodies. Yes.
Okay.
And that is just causing more harm than good.
Okay. These concerns does not rise on Independence Day when you fly kites and thousands of pigeons dies because of that.
Okay.
These concerns does not rise at that time. Only towers are responsible. Yes.
Okay. I
And second,
understand
you
your
rose
point.
a point about dumping the
How
waste.
it is related to machine revolution? Just tell me that.
I am telling you that humans are responsible as well. And secondly, the radiation which is used in India is under the safety range.
That's what I'm also trying to say, my friend. Humans are created for their own destruction. They are trying to bring the destruction upon themselves. Why? They are using, and how? They are using machines and bringing the destructions upon themselves. They are using nuclear power. It has one benefit and many disadvantages, but you
Okay.
still are using it. You are pushing for lithium-ion batteries. You are talking about how lithium-ion and electric cars are the future. My friend, you are just digging the soil and bringing out all the lithium-ion. It is causing more harm in the long term as well. It is no longer as safe as, it is as bad as petrol, as bad as diesel, as bad as any other fossil fuel.
Okay. So we're talking about the machinery causing pollution and e-waste as well. So I would love to tell you that a sting operation was done in Delhi where it was found that 2.5 lakh vehicles made fake PUC just to escape from challan, while their vehicles were emitting much more CO2 and methane than safety limits. So people are the one responsible for pollution. First they bribe to create pollution, then they ask questions on pollution.
Saying that you people and human, your subject is human. Like if human is not using any particular thing, even there is a knife which is on table and it cannot kill anybody itself. So if human is not using that particular thing in a productive manner, in a manner which it should be used, so it is not a fault of the machine. Like machines are made for the productive work. Like pen is also made, like pen is also machine. Anything which is making your work easy, that is called machine. And if you are using even wood is also machine. Like if you are using
wood is also a machine.
मोर का पंख भी machine है. Like if you are using मोर का पंख, like if you are using the feather of peacock and for utilizing, for making your work easing out, so that is also called machine. Ink is also machine. So that is the use of the machine, like how you are using the machine. And it is not making any sense that like if you are using anything in limit, so everybody knows that it is the fault of the human when even if human know that if they are not using particular thing in a limit, so they
Now
know the
can I
repercussion of that particular thing. So that is the fault of the human. It is not a fault of the machine. That machine cannot itself work. It cannot itself operate. To your point, I want to say that like if there is a person who is spatially able, and for that one person, machine is a god for him. They are giving them like at least some kind of hopeness so that they can survive in earth. So that is the use of the machine in a productive manner. It is not about that the fault of the machine. It is the fault of that if there is a requirement of using one spec but you are using two. So that is the fault of you, not of machine.
Okay, now you as you said earlier that wood, it is also a part of machine. I'm not agree with you totally. Because wood, it's not a machine, it is a part of natural environment. You may know that there
Let me clear one thing.
There are two types of environment, human made and natural environment. So wood and everything that is present naturally, that was not created by human. These all things come under a natural environment, not the machines and all. Now I just want to counter your second point. As you were talking about our sense. You nonsense guys are talking about our sense. What the hell you are saying, brother? You should, first of all, you need to enhance your knowledge and after that you should talk about. Now I just want to put my next point. In the Russian Revolution, industries were being set up in Russia. And at that time, what was happening? People started coming to industrial area for their employment because they were at that time they were just busy in the agricultural production. But after industries were being set up, at that time they were forced to work in the industries. And what was happening because of that? At that time, slavery was started. Do you know about triangular slave trade? It was between Africa, France and America, due to which slavery was started. Now, second thing, due to industrial revolution, these guys had to face the problems of low, like high working hour, low wages, sanitation issue. And I just want to know that because of Russian Revolution, many revolutions had taken a place, such as Bloody Sunday, February Revolution, October Revolution. So I just want to know from you, is this your machine revolution that is bringing more revolutions such as Bloody Sunday, February Revolution and October Revolution? Is it your machine revolution?
Okay. Let me clear definition of machine. If there is anything which is available on earth and if you are using that thing for your productivity, if you are utilizing that thing for your productivity and enhancing your output, that is called machine. Like wood is also machine if you are using wood in a productive manner. If you are making the table from wood, that is also the machine. That is the actual definition of machine. That you were raising the point regarding agriculture. Like people used to work in agriculture. Later on, they had to go to the labor. They had to go to the in factories and all. They had to work there.
Yes.
Agriculture is a kind of employment generating sector where people are working in excess. What I'm saying is that like there is a requirement of 3 people, but 4 people are working there. So when the people had more opportunity in factory, when the people had more opportunity to earn in a factory, so they shifted their work wages into the factory. So that is what happened. And it is what is happening in India as well. Like previously, people used to work in first sector. There is a first sector which is agriculture sector. Nowadays, people are working in service sector. Why? Because they have more opportunity in service sector because they know that there is no requirement if the 4 people of same family they are working in agriculture sector. I may expect some kind of points from you that related to machine pollution, such kind of things. So I want to say that the country like Japan city, Amsterdam, which is in Netherlands. There is a country, Lithuania, Finland, Switzerland. These kind of countries are also there. They are using some kind of machine. There is a machine which makes chips. There is a machine which makes chips. This is the heavy machine which is only present in Netherlands. And see the environmental index of Netherlands. Netherlands comes in top 5 country after Finland. So that is the use of the machine. If these kind of countries are able to administrate things in a proper manner, if they are able to utilize the productivity, if they are able to utilize the machine which is available there, so that is the fault of the government here. Like as you are taking the example of India only, as I'm
No, I didn't take the example.
as I'm assuming, you are just seeing the third world country only, and seeing the first world countries. These countries are able to implement these kind of tools, these kind of machinery for their productivity. And as you are seeing that the China, when they started becoming
I
more
didn't talk
technological,
about China.
as they started becoming more technological advanced, now you're seeing the GDP of China, which is $15 trillion, which is 10x than India, more than 10x than India.
Where 2 people are required, at their places 3 people are working. So same thing was happening at the time of Russian Revolution, and even the condition was more worse. And now I just want to counter your second point. You talked about the GDP of China. Do you know the GDP of China before colonial period? At that time we were not using the machine. At that time we were contributing around 30% in the world GDP. That is around 40 trillion at present time. And at that time we were not using that much machinery. But after colonial period, when industrialization started in our country, at that time our condition get too much worse, as you can see now.
Okay, definition of machine changes according to the environment. Previously, in ancient time, machine used to be called, like stone used to be called machine, because it was giving fire to them, and because of that they were able to eat their food, they were able to cook their food. That is also used to be considered as machine. But now people like you right now, they are not considering these things as a machine right now.
Yes.
Okay, so that in that medieval time, India used to be on top country which used to generate 24% of GDP of whole world. Okay, on that time also, India also used to use machinery in big manner. Like used to manufacture clothes, India used to manufacture many other things that. So that is also there, also people used to use machine. That's why they were able to produce these kind of clothes.
So as you chose the wrong side, but don't worry, I am here to correct you. So let's start the debate. As you all think that machines are good servant, but according to me, machines are good servant but dangerous master. Machines were created to solve problems, but machine revolution was started to create dangerous problems. Now I would like to put my first point. As you know well that whenever we are using something in its limits, so it is beneficial for us. But we are not using machines in its in its limits. We are crossing the limit. It means we are using machines on the excessive level. And I just want to make you understand it with an example. As you can take an example of train. When it was invented, at that time its speed was 60 km. And after some time 100. And now you can take an example of bullet train. It is around 900 km per hour. So I just want to know from you that you guys are creating these all things just to save our time. And people are, and you don't know that people are having too much time. Go in the park and you will see that many people are playing Jua. That's the thing that is happening at present time. Let me complete first of all. Now I just want to know from you that you guys want to be the next Doraemon, that you after some time you will say that we have invented anyway.
So here I am. So basically, I feel that, you know, everybody is hyping up this, that we are against machine revolution and machine should be there or not. Maybe it can be produced with AI or some other things, but it really depends on how you use the machine. Machine itself is not wrong, but the person can be. So you may, yeah.
Yeah, it's true, but you can see there are lots of people misusing machine because they don't have knowledge. In India, so many people are uneducated, and you are talking about machine revolution. Indian people are not educated that much. That's why it's bad for us, because in India, people in our school, they don't teach us how to operate machine, and that's it.
It's the fault of people that they do not teach. It's not the fault of machines, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what I said. So let me make another points.
So it's all about living in this world and being able to survive, right? The game is of survival. Do you think that we would be able to survive for having this debate without machines? You have got these tiny hands and legs to run as much as like 20 kilometers per hour. And the lion is coming with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, and other animals as well. Do you think that humans as species would be able to survive in those conditions?
Human are surviving in ancient time also. They are surviving. They just living. They can eat anything. Nowadays, people are consuming microplastics. They get cancer. That type of thing they have. And they give time to humans. Always on phone. They just convince to the phone.
But I guess you didn't understand my point. So you said that we were surviving, and we are evolving now also. That's why we were able to survive. Evolving comes with machineries. We evolved. We had this weapons. In 1600s, we had this motorcycle and other evaluations. That's why we are able to survive. People blame machines and say that our world is getting polluted and it's harming. How come this whole world reset itself 5 times? And dinosaurs are not here, and other species as well. They're not here right now. At that time, there were no machines. Then how come did this things happen 5 times? Not even once or twice, 5 times.
For nature, we get asteroids attack. Now we are just polluting our nature. Humans are lazy. We all know. That's why we make machines. It's not good, but machine revolution is not good for us. Anonymous say, if we go on AGI, we will destroy our world. Anonymous says, and who invent AI? If we are converting nature, we will get destroyed.
So you said that machines will destroy, right?
Yeah.
And also you can use it as a weapon and kill somebody, innocent people, right?
Yeah.
So in court, when this case goes, would you blame the knife for that murder or the person?
Obviously, life.
Right? There was a hand of human, there was a brain of human which did it. So at the end, the human will be punished, right?
Why human get punished? Why you invent chakku?
I invented the knife for slicing apple and other vegetables. But some evil people and some people with bad mindset used it for doing murder. So it's the fault of that people, not mine. I invented for a good purpose. I guess we all should use technology in positive manner and for our beneficial.
Yeah,
Okay.
why do you invent?
I will answer this.
Yeah.
Be aware of how to use good technology.
Who aware us?
Humans.
Humans.
Sorry.
Good evening. As you know very well, like the mega debates will going to happen, and this side is Umesh from Budvyar ASL. Now I will going to speak in the favor of machinery revolution. And our respected sir, my worthy opinion and my dear audience. Okay, sir, my first point is like that. Do you know about the physical disabled person? Like they are using machinery to making their life easy. Like as you only know very well, like there are so many scientists that they have like a physical disability in their body, but still they discovered many things. You know why? Because of the help of machinery. If I'm talking about the Stephen Hawking, like they discovered so many things like by their fingers only.
I totally agree that the machineries are helping us that, but the topic is totally against of that, because I say that revolution of machinery on the access level, which is harming us, the people, those who are inventing the railway system, which is being operated at the 1,000 kilometer per hour speed, which is following that, okay, and which is very harmful for us. That suppose that any accident happens, the 1,000 people can die immediately.
I do really agree with your point. It may be possible that accident happened. Just one thing keep in your mind. Every coin has 2 sides, and you're talking about the accident. Like is there any surety that you will see the morning? Is there any surety about that? The accident happened anywhere. It is not a fault of machinery.
You are saying the people, those who are working in the factories, they're using knife machines and other, they're losing their hands. That is very necessary for us. You're saying that.
Okay, Lord, just
there is no warning that we don't need to be aware about that. You're saying that we can use, scissors. We can use scissors, but you're saying that we have to use, machinery so that we can lose our hand easily. And the owners of the factories, they are not, owning that. Not giving a single amount to them that they are
okay now it's my
hands
turn.
and all.
Okay, now
it is your totally fault that you're you are doing the revolution on on the access level, which is very
which is very bad thing. Let's take an example of the air conditioners and all. Okay,
Okay.
fluorocarbons, which is very harmful for the nature. It's affecting to the ozone layer. UV rays, can damage the human skins and animal skin. So it should be on the limited level, right?
Okay, sir. This I want to tell you something like the China and like if you're talking about the most of developed nation, that they have a plenty of machinery revolution. So why they are developed? Tell me like why they are developed.
What I'm saying that I'm not saying that
You were
any
saying
country,
like you were saying that
country can easily be.
okay. Like let me complete. I let you speak. Now it's my turn. Please let me speak.
Okay, brother.
Okay, like you were saying me like the CFE will damage the environment. I think it totally depends on you. If I'm talking about a developed nation, like they have a plenty of machinery revolution. So like why they are developed? They didn't like they
You
do not
are
have a
saying
single
just
thing,
for
like they
the
do.
development,
Let me complete, sir. Let me complete.
Okay.
They do not have a single percent of pollution in their country. And you're talking about the machinery and you're talking about the machinery in factories. I think it totally depends on you. I think it totally depends on yourself that how you can use machinery. Could you imagine like there's a building over here? Like,
I
if you
cannot
can-
see that.
Yeah, like if you can jump the building, like if you can jump the outside.
Why do I
Like
need to
suppose,
jump?
tell me, is it a fault of building?
It is the fault of the building because building was built on very height, on very huge height. So the people are having that their mindset that if I jump from the height, I can easily be died, right? It is totally the fault of the building.
Okay. Sir, like you were saying about like the people check their power. Only I think
Even today we can see the effect which is America blasted the bomb Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and which effect we can see also because our child are born with problems.
Do you know the condition of Japan, right? And Japan is ruling the world because of their machinery. If you see the other underdeveloped country, they don't have that much developed machinery. People are making atom because of their safety. We would have to live in fear. In the world, everyone has enemies. If you want to save your life from your enemies, you have to do something for your life. India has also made the atom bomb because of the other countries. We are living around of Pakistan, Afghanistan, China. They can attack on us anytime. And these things are in our hand. If we want to use those things, then we can use. If we don't want that, then we can't use them.
Sir, that's why I want to say why we are making the nuclear bomb and the bomb, because we fight to another country. That's why we need to nuclear bomb and the another nucleus. Okay, so
How did Japan grow up?
that's why na, sir,
Because of
that
the
is the
machinery.
reality.
I
want to see the river condition.
They have
river
advanced
condition.
machinery. That's the reason they are ruling the world. Slums where people used to live in fear of animals. Now we have advanced technology. That's why we are making houses, we are making offices, we are making everything. But we would never be able to build Burj Khalifa. You know that the height of Burj Khalifa. What is this? Do you think would you be able to make that building without machinery?
And so, what do you think about air pollution?
Air pollution. Okay, just use the machinery, do the Google, and then you will get to know about the European countries. No, they have everything on machinery, and they don't have that much pollution. We have pollution because our government is not using that much machinery in our India. That's the reason.
Okay, sir, we are doing so many things, but what do you think about unemployment? And if I talk about AI, if AI snatch the all jobs, so what will you do after in future?
Okay, why people are not
And
getting?
what do you think about the people?
Why people are
Those
not?
who are
Why people
those who
are,
have the
why people are not getting jobs? Because of their skills. If I go to a person who has done MBA, if I talk to him and I want to get to know what is the full form of MBA, he would not be able to say me what is the full form of MBA. This is the major fact. This is the major fact.
Japan, people of the Japan, they just want to make the
People, how they want to live their life. Whom can
they don't want to live in the reality.
it's all about the mentality. It's all about Japan has enough nature and Japan has cleanest
No, I'm not
cities.
talking
Japan
about
has
Japan. I'm
cleanest
talking about
water.
our country.
Sorry?
I'm talking about our country.
Our country. Our country is underdeveloping country, and our government is doing fabulous job for our country. Our government is bringing advanced machinery from the foreign countries, making our country good. How can you so know, sir? Give me some example. there are lights, we have everything, and still you are saying machinery is not
Sir,
good for
it
us.
is good for us, but it is day by day. We are making our lazy. You just want to take it and you just want to using.
It depends on people. Those people want to, if someone wants to work, he will work. If someone doesn't want to work, he will not work. You can't say machines are making them lazy.
Thing has more demerits than the merits, so it is vinashkari for the society and the human being. So same goes for the science and the machine revolution. In machine revolution has more demerits than the merits, so it is vinashkari for the human society. If I give some example, because of the vehicle, because of the science, because of your set experiments, global warming is increasing and new diseases are being found and are being observed because of the man people are dying. And it's my point of view. I want to be countered.
Okay, so in my point of view, everything has the pros and cons, as well as the machinery has also. Okay, and for example, if the human being has a mind, have a minds, they can use it in very good manner as well as in bad manners, and in balance thing.
Means
in balancing.
I'm not getting you.
Like if you have the trees as well as the machines. Okay, and machineries are also good for the human beings. For example, the collecting the data related to the customer, and if you have any problem in your bones and you got fractured in your arms and anywhere in your body, so how will you scan that? You will scan that.
I have an X-ray machine in my eyes. I have X-ray machine in my eyes.
And if you are dying, if you die with the pain, so how will you cure that? If you don't have an idea, so where is the problem in your bones? So machines are very useful for us.
Now let me make you correct. As you mentioned, every coin has two sides. First one is advantage, second disadvantage. Even I have mentioned science has more demerits than the merits, so it is considered into if a thing has 100 merits, 100 demerits and only one merit, so it is not good for the society. And you mentioned if you got fractured in your bone, if you got fractures, how would you do that? For that X-ray machine and MRI machines are available in this world. So in the past era, people were used to doing hard work. People were using their hands, people using their body, so their bone density was good enough, so they were not getting fractured easily. And the second thing, if somehow they got fractured, so what they were doing, they were going for the Ayurved natural things. They were using some wooden stick. If I got fractured here, so they were using some wooden stick and tied it. After just some week, after just some months, they got healed. So this is what we were using, not kind of MRI machine And now let me tell you the disadvantages of MRI machine. Now let me tell you the disadvantages of MRI machine and X-ray machine. Do you know what they emits? They emits the radio waves. MRI machine emits maybe gamma rays, and the X-ray machine emits radioactive waves. So they affects our body, they affects our organ. If somehow MRI machine got more frequency, more gamma rays, so what happens? We can die just because of that.
I will put my points one by one according to your questions that you put. Okay. First of all, what is the meaning of machine?
I don't know. I don't know.
Ancient area, we used to have bhala and knife. That is also a part of machine. Okay, and you put your point related to the Ayurveda. They used to place any stick beside the bones and all. So that is also a machine. After that, one by one, these things, they invented the machines. And what happened with us in the corona time? So most of the patient need oxygen cylinders. So we cure them. We are saving lives and we are saving the time also, and time is a money.
Which kind of oxygen you are talking about? In Delhi, AQI is more than 1000. Just because of your machine, factories emits loads of hazardous gases like CO2, carbon monoxide, many kind of gases, and just because of that we are facing acid rain, damage our body and the soil and the environment a lot. And second thing I want to counter, as you mentioned, in corona time, most of the patient needed oxygen, and we were curing just because of the oxygen. Corona was spread all over the world because of the science experiment, which it was spread into the whole world, and many people died and many people lost their loved ones. Many people lost their dreams. So what kind of development you are talking? What kind of machine you are talking about? And because of the machine, we are saving humans' life.
like you are saving only 2 humans life and just because and dying 100 humans life. So 100 human is more important than the rest of 2 human. So like there's a like what about the rest of 98 which is dying just because of your machine?
How they are educated, their people, if they don't have an idea how to use a machine, so they will harm them. Okay, because every coin has two sides.
I am against of machine revolution. People are dying from the machine. They are snatching job, and who is responsible? Owner of this company, they are hiring, they are purchasing heavy machine. But some worker they are dying through the machine, but company they are not giving the compensation. Company is providing so many jobs, but nowadays people have no skills. That's why they are unable to do job in a company. Okay, but you are saying a machine is making people unemployment. Why you are saying like machine is very helpful? Grandfather and mother they are unable to listen and see like this words in old days. Okay, this time we have like a ear machine. If anybody have any problem in their ear. And people they don't know how can I use machinery, how can I use AI. How many people are using headphones and like how much you are using phone? Okay, it depends on you. How can you say it's public fault? AI, how can you say it's public fault? You are making the AK-47. You are making the nuclear ban. You are a drove the other country. If anybody slap you are and even AI. Mostly people are giving the example of China. I am China. If you are not giving the money, then I will not give you data. How can you say? And mostly I say again, mostly you people are like blackmailing of the girl. You are using AI tape of the his cloth. How can you say this? Sir? Mostly I say you are even these people are saying, have you 90-second video?
Okay, thank you.
How can you say this again? It's public fault.
It's totally public fault, my dear.
Mostly owner they are not giving the compensation.
Let me speak, bro. Let me speak. Calm down, sir. Chai de do.
I know you speak.
I am saying. You are saying you are manufacturing AK-47. My dear, if anybody slap you, you give that person your second slip.
If anybody slap him, I will give that stone. Stone is not making by the machine.
What?
It is not making by the machine.
I didn't get your point. Can you repeat again?
If someone slap on your face, I have a hands, I have a leg, then I will show you why are you touching me.
Why are you saying this?
Why are you using knife? Why are you using knife? Someone like you are using my knife.
Pakistan attack on us. So what we say like we are like ahinsawadi, like we are not followers of Gandhi.
But every people they are following the Gandhi.
We are supporters of Bhagat Singh. Okay, we are supporters of Bhagat Singh.
But mostly people are saying they are following the Mahatma Gandhi rules. Everyone they are Pakistan. Why are you not giving?
Then if you want to go in other country for a job, like somebody we give you a job, you go there. By swim, yeah, by aeroplane. Aeroplane is also a machine.
Okay,
you are not a
What incident was happening in Ahmedabad? But what incident was happening in Ahmedabad? Both people, they are 1,000, they are dying. They are dying from the machine, aeroplane. And one incident was happened January. He was the minister in Maharashtra. He had died through the machine.
I don't know about it.
I don't.
My first time to speak in a debate, so I want to know that you really believe that machines are beneficial
Obviously,
in India?
why not?
Really?
Yeah.
And but about like lack of employment and job.
By the way, machine causes everyone to do jobs because machines are just providing jobs. For example, technicians, engineers, software developments like this.
In factory area, in industrial area, do you really believe that?
Yeah, because in factories, in industries,
Okay.
it is mandatory to having machines. If there's no machines in industrial factories, there's no work and there's
But
no
about
product.
that woman, those who have to work in factory, like polluted factory, without any insurance, without any like requirement, they have to work at a such amount. What about this?
That's completely people's fault. They have good machineries to remove pollutions. It is not the fault of machines. Obviously not.
They are using ChatGPT for cheating those schoolwork, those tests.
That's the fault of students that they are using AI or some online platforms for cheating. That's not the fault of AI. That they are just they can provide the information to get the knowledge. Revolution is very beneficial for us. For example, you know, I know, and everyone knows, majority of population of India and half of the population of India is suffering with their respective health diseases, and human resource, the doctors are unable to do the treatment, a good treatment for them. So machines like X-ray and MRI scanners really help them. That's why they're beneficial. Here's the conclusion, and the simplest thing we need to understand: the machines are not our foes. They are really a great helper for us.
Okay, if we are using machines in hospitality sector, yeah, in education sector, yes, it can be useful. But when we are using in a like bad use, that time
that is not the fault of machine. That is the fault of the bad guy using the machine for the bad thing. That is not the fault of machine.
Sector, like we can survive without AC, without cool water. So like AC and fridge, like refrigerator, they are releasing like gas, CFC gas, and it's harmful. Everyone knows it's harmful for our Earth ozone layer. Everyone knows that. After it, they are using. Why? They can't survive without AC.
In ancient times, there was no AC and the life expectancy was 30 to 35 years. And now we're having AC and the life expectancy is 70 to 80.
One more thing also. Machines be a human lazy, not a benefit.
Machines can give free time to the humans to think on science, experiments, and the more benefits to develop the country. Raise another point.
Sir, according to me, machines are not bad, but the machine revolution is bad because it causes to the unemployment and it causes to the loss of our culture as well, and also you can say the wildlife or you can say that nature is being polluted by machines because of the pollution, and also the rivers that we worship, nature also we worship rivers as well, they are being polluted by machines. Why? Because the machines produces pollution.
You are not just aware about the enough that machine is producing the thing. You do not have to kill them. And also what were you saying, that taking the jobs, and it is not taking jobs, it is also the providing a jobs. A lot of the facilities are being provided, but you are not getting because you do not have the skill enough. And you need to learn about it, some things, then you will get the jobs and all.
Do not have a skill. Just tell me when you can say that machine revolution was started for making product. You can say that machines are making products in just 2 to 3 minutes, and because of that, what happened? The workers who were on the place of machine, they were replaced because of why? Because of the time. The workers, they are taking 20 hours for making the product, and the machines were taking 2 to 3 minutes. So were they not capable? Were they not skilled?
Of the businessman, that you have to think about like a businessman. Just you want to grow your company, India and countries, and you just want to also to grow your GDP, and that you have to need a lot of the productions. GDP totally depends on the productions. If you're producing the enough, and then you will get a lot of the things.
Okay, whose GDP are you talking about? Tell me the honors GDP are you talking about?
That whatever you're saying, but we have to work on it, and just need to the work. And like AI, we are also making.
Second point is that about the safety. What you need, just because of growing GDP of the owner, you want that the work which can be done by Caesar, you want to do with the blades. Before machine revolution, we can cut paper easily. Caesars, what is happening now? After machine revolution, we are cutting with the huge machine which is carrying very sharper blades. We can lose our hands as well. We can lose any of our body part. Even you can say that we can die also. A minimum wages act of 1948. You know why it was implemented? Before machine revolution, there was not any kind of act. But after machine revolution, why it was started? Because the workers were not paid minimum wages. The workers are doing nothing. They are just sitting in the factories. They are not doing anything.
And if you get the enough skills about the AIs and all, and how to operate the machines, and then you will get the enough wages. And if you are talking about the cutting the hands, and if you are doing the working in the factories, and do you know about the reports of the ILO? It's the International Labour Organization. Give the data that about how many people are killed just because of the working in the factories. And I'm not talking about the now, and that it what used to happen on that time. It was 3 million people in the annually, and they were not having machines. They were dying also there.
Who were dying at that time? They must die from any kind of infection or something, because at that time there were no machines.
That was the reason. If we had machines,
You said that at that time people were dying because of lack of machines.
Yeah.
Now what is happening? Are they saving their life after having machines? And the factories, they are also dying now. They were dying that time as well. But the difference is that.
And
the difference.
that's the reason we had the expectancy raise and the 30 to 40, and now we have an expectancy raise, and now we have a 70 around just because of the machineries.
To speak about our topic, machine revolution is beneficial or destructive. कि machines are destructive for humanity and environment, which is jobless growth. Do you know about jobless growth?
No, can you explain?
Yes, I can explain. It is the topic of GDP. When our GDP in 1990, when our GDP is around $270 million, and in 2000 it is around $420 billion. On that period of time, our unemployment is around 30 million.
To talk in history, not
Yes.
present. Machinery revolution is good for us. Can't able to do mostly things without machine revolution. Like if we have to connect with our relatives or someone else, so we have to use a machine. If we want to go somewhere, so we have to use machines. I go to college, so if I use my own transport, so it's very costly for me, so I usually used to go with the metro. That helps me.
Because if we are using vehicles, this is polluting our nature and environment. Do you know about ozone depletion and global warming?
Yeah.
And ACs, we are using CFC gases in ACs that are harmful for our environment.
Vehicles or use electric vehicles.
Ma'am, in electric vehicles, there are also, we are using lithium.
Let me complete. If it is wrong, you can tell me later.
Okay.
So if there's people choice, if they want to use electric vehicles or not, like it can help. Like CNG is also there, so we can also use the CNG vehicles. That's it.
But if we are using electrical vehicles, we are also using lithium, and lithium is harmful for us and environment.
So what do you want to say? Like we can't, we should not use any vehicle.
No,
or
ma'am.
we
No,
should
ma'am.
not use
I
any
will.
kind of thing.
I'm not saying this. Yeah. To save our resources for future generation. And then what about you to saying our ozone depletion?
Why do you against the machine?
So many other things we kill and human destroy his basic needs.
How?
How? For example, if you purchase a cleaning machine, after that you sometimes use. Now my work is very easy, but you get lazy and you destroy your natural habit.
Teacher, he used the ChatGPT, and you say I am against for the machine. Why do you use the ChatGPT? Tell me.
Okay, if ChatGPT sometime wrong and so many things we do wrong, and this is machine. Why? Can you tell me?
You go to school.
Yes,
In the school, teacher also use the machines like a Microsoft. Yes.
machine. I agree with you, but in my school only sometimes we use.
You are go to school with the vehicles.
No, I don't go school with a vehicle.
I want to put my point first in front of you that like machine revolution. Machineries were the part of human. Like these were invented to assist the human. Okay, so you basically that like measure that these were the servant of human. Now the human became the servant of machineries. Okay, so I want to know from you that what kind of progress is this? You say that it's a machine revolution.
Okay, firstly, let me know how the human became the servant of machineries.
Okay, like without the net and without any kind of like without the phone or social media, a person don't get these things, getting frustration and all. Okay, so this kind of dependency machinery is creating. Okay, so why do you think that machinery only can help us?
I really don't think that only machinery can help us, but I think that a machinery can help us in better way.
Okay.
Like if we use machineries, like it will be more easy for us and more convenient also.
Okay.
If we use machineries, we are just saving our time and increasing our income by day by day, and so many peoples are literally having a good using the machinery in good way, but some peoples don't really use it in that way, so that is their problem, not the machineries.
Okay. Okay, I want to clear that one thing also. Okay, if I use the knife to stab someone, it can cause the death of a person, and a nuclear weapon can the cause of million of people. So it is not the thing that how the human are using. Okay, these are the machinery can be used as a weapon. Okay.
Are you trying to say that machineries are telling them to use them?
Yeah,
As in
yeah.
in this manner.
Yeah.
How? Not for casually, like you are just going there and just put the bomb there and this is good.
Progress without control, it's not the development, it's a devastation for the human life.
Pakistan also, the war that happened recently, people had died there, they were also innocent. Whole
How do
India
you know?
were happy.
Listen, how do you know that I was happy or not?
By social media. These are literally helping us in so many manners, and you are using, not only you, the whole India and more peoples are using machineries for their work to be easy. And people are using ChatGPT and Gemini. They are also machineries. So why are you guys using these machineries?
Okay, so you want to say that why we are using? Okay, there was a movement which happened by the workers. Like machinery replaced with the humans. Okay, so that the owner of the factories, they can increase their productivity. They can increase their profit. Okay. So when what the worker did, they just destroyed the machine and all. This situation shows that how the machine is destroying the livelihood of a human.
They are not destroying their human's livelihood. They are just enhancing their livelihood by giving them better opportunities and good sources of this. Say that we are living in the 21st century and still you are saying that machineries are bad for humans. Japan is more developed than India, and still you are saying that India should not adopt the machinery evolution. It is trying to develop, but some kind of people like you, they are stopping India from the revolution.
If we are using machinery, so first of all, we have too many kind of problems. First of all, pollution. Second of thing.
So who said you that pollution is from machinery revolution? No. Firstly, tell me. Who said to you?
People, they are using machines. So but about the uneducated person, they are just jobless. They don't have job. So how they are survive their life?
Okay, so pollution is from the machineries.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't you think that Rekha Gupta is not doing nothing for Delhi pollution?
It's government. So why they choose Rekha Gupta? They should not choose because everyone knows what they are doing, what she is doing.
Just we people just want to that India should also become like Japan. In Japan, there are so many machine revolution, but still the country is very neat and clean. And India is not neat and clean. Even they don't have that much machine revolution.
So, ma'am, do you know why India is very dirty?
Because the people who don't know about the machine revolution, they are throwing the garbage on the road. That's why. A machine which help to regain and less the pollution in India.
Okay, ma'am, but
so it is also revolution. They are focusing on machine revolution. They are not focusing on the garbage like they are focusing, but they are more focusing on machine revolution like us. Not like the other.
Do you know, ma'am, people, they are using machine revolution. That's why they are losing their identity.
How they are losing their identity?
Yes, ma'am, they are using AI, they are using ChatGPT.
So don't you use ChatGPT?
No, ma'am, I'm not using. This is your problem. That's why you are not growing.
Ma'am, don't.
That's why you are not growing.
Don't go personally. Are saying India people they are using machines, so India it will be developed country. Okay, if they will not use machines, so they can also develop.
Okay, so tell me, in the ancient time, they can also develop, but they are not developed. Why? Because they don't have the machine revolution at that time. This time they have so many different types of machines and by which they can develop. So do you know about
That's why we are getting.
Do you know about the
fake things? Do you know, ma'am? That's why we are getting fake things. We are getting cheap things. Do you know? Because of the machine. If we are not using machines, so we can get good quality things. We can get.
Then you don't get anything because people are not able to make that much amount of quantity and quality of that product.
We can get product by hand.
Like you can see the defense machine like guns and Mustang are unable to protect our country by the enemy country.
So how can you say that, ma'am? In the ancient time.
So will you fight with the team?
Let me speak. In the ancient time, like there was no technology and there was not that much facility of the machine. But
do you really think?
But ma'am, we are able to fight nowadays. If we don't have machine, then we cannot fight.
Okay, will you fight with the Tir Dhanush?
Yes.
Are you able to fight with the Tir Dhanush?
If
They will take AK-47, they will kill your own soldiers by the
okay, but it is very hard and the very specific company. It is related to cough syrup company, and in that company they using unhygienic machines. That cough syrup is going to the child, and when child take that cough syrup, obviously they are getting that much diseases. They are not able to survive, and cause of this they are getting die.
Ma'am, there is a lack of management.
No, there is no lack of management.
Defame the machine.
Why I can't defame the machine? It is the trusted.
Sir, ma'am, there is no fault of machine. There is a management. Machine can't think about it that it's hygiene or not. Who is operating the machine? They have right to.
Okay, you can wash machine. You can wash machine.
Yes,
like
I can wash. I can
no,
wash.
you cannot wash machine like your plate. Machine is a machine.
Machines.
A 23 child in the one day 23 child they got.
Okay, tell me how will you diagnose
their life
injury without machine? How will you get your treatment without the machine?
In the ancient time there was no machine, but still we are living and they were living better than us life. There was no disease. There was no any discrimination.
And we don't have that kind of food.
Why we
don't have Asian kind of food. You are living, ma'am. You are living. Okay, tell me, without the machine, without the technology, how will you connect it to your family and relatives? In ancient time, it took 15 days and 30 days to send a letter. In that time, people died. Do you know?
So how
Surya